Welcome to Healthy Habits. We are so glad you found us. Here at Healthy Habits, we are dedicated to helping you live your healthiest and happiest life. Our channel is all about sharing practical tips and advice for improving your nutrition, staying active, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to lose weight, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, we've got you covered. Our team of experts will provide you with the latest research and recommendations for living a healthier life. So join us on this journey to better health and wellness. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our latest videos. We can't wait to share our healthy habits with you.
DIY flaxseed gel for fast hair growth and shiny hair. For this recipe you'll need flax seeds. They contain soluble fiber that, when soaked in water, creates a gel-like substance. When applied to the hair, flax seeds gel can help to moisturize and nourish the scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. The gel can also help to reduce inflammation and irritation on the scalp, which can lead to hair loss. Flax seeds gel can be used as a natural hair conditioner, helping to soften and detangle the hair. It can also help to define curls and reduce frizz, making it a popular ingredient in hair styling products. One of the main ways that flax seeds can promote healthy hair growth is through their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids are known to nourish hair follicles and improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can help to support healthy hair growth. In addition to omega-3s, flax seeds are also a good source of antioxidants like lignans and vitamin E. Flax seeds are also a good source of plant-based protein, which is important for building strong hair. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin, so getting enough protein in your diet is crucial for healthy hair growth. You will also need rice powder. One of the key benefits of rice for hair growth is its high content of inositol. Inositol is a carbohydrate that is found in rice and is known to help promote healthy hair growth. Inositol is thought to help improve the elasticity of the hair, reduce breakage, and improve the overall health of the hair. Rice is also rich in amino acids, including proline and cysteine, which are important building blocks for healthy hair. These amino acids help to strengthen the hair and prevent damage, which can lead to hair loss. Put all the ingredients in a pot, add water and boil it for 10 minutes as you stir. Let it cool, then strain out the gel-like fluid into an empty bowl. Add coconut oil to the fluid. It contains a unique combination of fatty acids that are easily absorbed by the hair and scalp, providing essential nutrients for healthy hair growth. One of the key benefits of coconut oil for hair growth is its ability to penetrate the hair shaft and prevent protein loss. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin, and when the hair loses protein, it can become weak and prone to breakage. Coconut oil helps to prevent protein loss by penetrating the hair shaft and nourishing the hair from within. Coconut oil is also rich in vitamins and minerals that are important for healthy hair growth. It contains vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the hair from damage caused by free radicals. Add curd, also known as yogurt, is a popular ingredient in hair care products and is also used as a natural remedy for promoting healthy hair growth. Curd is a rich source of protein and lactic acid, which can help to nourish and strengthen the hair. One of the key benefits of curd for hair growth is its high content of protein. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin, and when the hair lacks protein, it can become weak and prone to breakage. The protein in curd can help to strengthen the hair and prevent damage, promoting healthy hair growth. Curd also contains lactic acid, which helps to exfoliate the scalp and remove dead skin cells. This can help to unclog hair follicles and improve the delivery of nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. In addition, curd has moisturizing properties that can help to nourish and hydrate the hair. It can help to reduce frizz and dryness, making the hair more manageable and promoting healthy growth. Whisk very till everything is well combined. Apply the mask on the hair and wash your hair after 1 hour. Also kindly click the link in the description box below to watch our video on prevent hair loss and regrow thin hair into thick hair.
Thank you for watching this video on healthy habits. We hope you found the information helpful and are motivated to make positive changes in your own health and wellness journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all of our latest videos. We post new content every week, so there's always something new and exciting to learn. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and always do our best to respond to your comments. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.